Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I've been getting a lot lately. Is Questrade safe? Now, before I dive into the details, let's get one thing straight. I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. I'm just sharing my own experiences and research on the topic. So, with that in mind, let's get started. What is Questrade? Questrade is a Canadian online brokerage firm that offers self-directed investing services. They have a wide range of products and services, including stocks, ETFs, bonds, mutual funds, and options. Questrade is also known for its low fees, which can be a big draw for investors. So, is Questrade safe? The short answer is yes, Questrade is a safe place to invest your money. They are regulated by the Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada, IIROC, and are a member of the Canadian Investor Protection Fund, CIPF. This means that your money is protected up to $1 million if Questrade goes bankrupt. In addition to being regulated, Questrade also has a number of security measures in place to protect your account. These include two-factor authentication, encryption, and fraud monitoring. So, what are the risks of investing with Questrade? There are always risks associated with investing, but Questrade is a relatively safe option. The biggest risk is that you could lose money if the market goes down. However, this is a risk that you would face with any investment, not just Questrade. Another risk is that Questrade could go bankrupt. However, the chances of this happening are very low, as Questrade is a well-established company with a strong financial position. Overall, I believe that Questrade is a safe and reliable place to invest your money. They have a good track record, and they take security very seriously. If you're looking for a low-cost brokerage firm, Questrade is a good option to consider. So, there you have it. Questrade is a safe and reliable place to invest your money. If you're looking for a low-cost brokerage firm, Questrade is a good option to consider. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and investing. Thanks for watching.